Welcome to JJ Colors.
Yay! Friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are learn small alphabet letters. Let's start. A. We all learn letter A. Filling the color rose color. Filling the color rose color. Please subscribe my channel. And next letter B. We all learn B. Filling the color purple color. Filling the color purple color. And next letter C. And next letter C. We are learn filling the color blue color. We are learn filling the color blue color. Magic fingers, no. JJ colors. Next letter D. We are learn D. Filling the color sky blue color. Filling the color sky blue color. And next letter E. We are learn letter E. Filling the color yellow color. Filling the color yellow color. And next we are learn F. We all learn F. All of you say F. Filling the color rose color. Filling the color rose color. JJ colors. Next letter G. All of you say G. Filling the color green color. Filling the color green color. Next letter H. All of you say H. Filling the color gray. Filling the color gray. Next letter I. We all learn I. Filling the color brown color. Next letter J. We all learn J. All of you say filling the color green color. All of you say next letter K. Filling the color sky blue color. Filling the color sky blue color. All of you say next letter L. Say L. Filling the color light pink color. Filling the color light pink color. All of you say next letter M. All of you say M. Filling the color ash color. Filling the color ash color. Next letter N. All of you say N. Filling the color dark ash color. Filling the color dark ash color. Next letter O. Next letter O. Filling the color orange color. Filling the color orange color. All of you say next letter P. Filling the color brown color. Filling the color brown color. All of you say JJ colors. Next letter Q. Filling the color rose color. Filling the color rose color. And this letter Q. And next letter R. We all learn R. Filling the color green color. Filling the color green color. All of you say next letter S. Say S. Filling the color red color. Filling the color red color. All of you say yes. Next letter T. We all learn T. Filling the color rose color. Filling the color rose color. Because of its dark only. Next letter U. We all learn U. Filling the color light violet color. Filling the color light violet color. Next letter V. All of you say V. Filling the color yellow because of its light yellow color. Okay. Next letter W. We all learn W. Its color, filling the color light green. Filling the color, dark green. And next letter X. We all learn X. Filling the color ash color. Filling the color ash color. All of you say Y. Next letter Y. We all learn Y. Filling the color dark ash color. We all learn Y. Next letter Z. We all learn black color. Filling the color black color. This letter is Z. JJ Colors. Please subscribe my channel, friends and families. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Stay with more colorful fun drawing and learning.